Hello, hope everybody's doing well. This is a quick tutorial on how to find and check to see if your computer needs updates for the software. And so you'll notice this is my desktop right here. I'm going to go down to the Start menu, which is the four kind of squares that combine to make the Windows logo. And so it's down here in the bottom left corner. So I'm going to click on that. And then on this left side is some options. And so what I'm going to do is click on the settings. It kind of looks like a cog type image. Click on that, pulls up the Windows settings options and menu. And there's a lot of things in here. So here's where you can find your network. Check to see if the Wi-Fi is working correctly. Here is where you can look at the display, the sound, kind of how your battery's being used. There's a few different things on here. What we're looking for is this update and security. It's the four or two arrows that are kind of in a circle. And so what I'm going to do is, now that I found that, I'm going to click on this update and security. Here's the main landing page. And on the left side, you'll see some different options and tools that you can maybe use. We're just going to use this first one, though. It says Windows Update. Mine says I'm already up to date, but what you can do is check. There's this green or gray box that says check for updates. I'm going to click on that. And because sometimes if our computers aren't working correctly, there's a software issue going on. And sometimes it can be easily fixed just by updating our software. So mine just did a check. It says you're up to date. Last check today at 12:04. It's 12:04. So that means at least my software that it checks is all up to date. And so if I'm still having problems, I can start looking for other solutions to see if I can hopefully help fix it, because it can be frustrating. But that's one simple thing you can do just to start off and see, hey, this is working correctly, or you know what, I need to update some things, and then try again. Thanks for your time. Good luck to you. And if you need any help, always reach out. Bye.